Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Insightly AI settings with Insightly step by step clearly. Open your Insightly account and log in. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings gear icon, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the settings gear icon to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the AI settings option. Click on AI settings to open the configuration page. Review your current AI settings to confirm what needs resetting. Look for the Reset option within the AI settings page. Click on the Reset option. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you wish to reset. Confirm your choice by clicking on the appropriate button. Wait for the system to process your reset request. Once complete, the AI settings will revert to their default state. You will receive a notification confirming that the reset was successful. Check the AI settings again to ensure everything has reverted as expected. Customize your AI settings if desired, or leave them at default. Return to your dashboard to continue using Insightly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.